Hey friends, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create easy concept diagrams in just a few minutes. And we are going to do it using two tools, SketchUp and Photoshop. You can also use Illustrator instead of Photoshop if you prefer. Alright, let's dive in. First we are going to start with SketchUp. I'm going to first make a box. Click on Parallel Projection on the Camera tab, so you have an isometric view of your shapes. After making my first form, I copy-paste it to show the next steps. I think 4 is enough to help clarify the design intent and the story behind the project, so I will leave it here. Once you have finalized your design in SketchUp, it's time to export it and save it as PDF. Let's hop over to Photoshop. Here we will add textures, colors and annotations. Once it's in, you can resize and position it to fit your canvas. The first things I will add to the diagrams are the annotations. You can use text, arrows or symbols, whatever works best for your concept. I'm drawing an arrow to show each step of the project's decisions. But if you don't want to draw, you can download arrows or different annotations on a lot of websites you can find for free on internet. I do the same for each step. I will start by showing the garden around the house, so I take a look at some grass texture on Google Image, but I can't find what I'm searching for, so I will just paint this area in green like that. I'm going to add some trees now. Sometimes I prefer to draw them myself, but right here I have downloaded them from the internet. You can find a lot of different styles, so really this is all about preferences. I think 2 is enough. Now I'm searching for a dot texture. This one is nice. And I will be putting it on the green part and putting it on multiply like this. Don't hesitate to try different things, you might be surprised with the results. I am now adding some people here and there. The easiest way to add shadings to your form is to use SketchUp, where there is the shadow tool that will help you choose the direction of the shadings, etc. So that's what I did. But I ended up drawing most of the shading myself for some reason. And lastly, I tried to replicate the shadings of the trees too. So let me know, what do you think? I have tried different ways to make concept diagrams over the years, but I think that's the easiest way you can do it without spending so much time on it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. You can find my other videos right here and see you in the next one.